Dear children, now let us move to question number 3. It is here on the board. Question number 3, what does it say is, this is a unit given, okay, 53 kg, 750 gram. You have to convert this in terms of higher unit. Higher unit means everything in terms of kg, everything in terms of kg, here kg, and lower unit means everything in terms of gram. Everything, this entire portion in terms of gram. So that is the higher unit and the lower unit. One has already been done for you, and that is 53.75 kg in the higher unit, and in the lower unit it is 53750 grams. So I am not going to do this. This is already done for you in the book. I will move to number B. 300 gram, 270 milligram. In the higher unit, this is a higher unit, gram. Compare gram and milligram. You will find this a higher unit. So everything should be written in terms of higher unit, gram. Okay. Take this. What I will do is here. What for? Number A. Number A. 53. Number B. Sorry. Number B, 300 gram, 270 milligram. 300 gram and 270 milligram. In the higher unit, this is already given in gram. So everything has to be converted in terms of gram. Okay, this is already in gram, so you don't have to do anything to this. Add 300 gram to 270 milligram. But this milligram is to be converted in terms of gram. So milligram you are here, and you have to convert this into gram here. So you are coming up means you need to divide it by 3 step means 1 and 30 means 1000. So divide this 270 by 1000. This milligram will become gram. Alright. So now see. 3 zeros are there, you are dividing by 3 0, decimal is here. So decimal will move to the left hand side by 3 step. So it will come here. Decimal will come here. So 300 gram plus this will become 0.270 gram. So 300 gram means 300.000 as many zeros you want, you can put at the end. Okay. And you are adding 0.270. 0.270. You have nothing here, so you can put a 0. So 0 plus 0, 0, 7, 2, point, you have nothing is 0, 0, 3. So 300.270 grams. So here you can write 300.27 gram. Now this was in higher unit. The same thing you have to convert in lower unit now. Let's see how can we do this. Lower unit means everything has to be converted in terms of milligram now. What did you do here? You converted everything in terms of gram, only gram is there. Okay. Now similarly, lower unit is this. And you have to convert everything in terms of the lower unit, that is milligram. First is 300 gram. You are supposed to convert everything into milligram. So 300 gram. Convert it into milligram. Gram to be converted to milligram. Gram to be converted to milligram means coming down means multiply by 30. 1 and 30 means 1000. Multiply it by 1000. This will become milligram, and you need to, this is already in milligram, so you simply have to add this 270 milligram. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and 1 into 3 is 3. This is milligram plus 270 milligram. Now add this. How much is this? 3 lakh, and this is 270. So 3 lakh plus 270. 3 lakh 270 milligram. Did you understand? Let's do one more. Let's do number C now. 607 gram, 607 gram, 52 centigram. So gram and centigram. Gram is the bigger unit. Gram is the bigger unit. Centigram is here. 2 steps means 100. So 607 is already in grams plus 52 centigram. Convert this in terms of gram. What you need to do is divide it by 100. Next step is 20 means decimal will shift to the left hand side by 2 digit. It will come here. So 607 gram plus it will become 0.52 gram. So add this 607 gram. 607 means 607.00 gram, and now 8.52. Point should be vertically below here. 5 to 8 to it. Now add this 2, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 5, 5, 7, 0, 6. So it is 607.52. 607.52 gram. Now this is in the higher unit. Now what should be there in the lower unit? In the lower unit, you need to convert everything in terms of centigram. Okay, this is already in centigram, so you don't need to do anything to this. But this one you need to convert in terms of centigram. How can you do this? Gram, centigram is 2 steps, means multiply it by 100. So 607 and multiply it by 100. This will become, gram will become centigram, and after that 852 centigram to it. So 607, hundreds are 607, 00. 2 zeros copy here, 1 into 607, 607 centigram, and then after that 852 gram to it. So 60,700 gram plus 52 gram, you can add it. It will become 60,752 gram. 60,752 centigram. 60,752 grams, you can eat this. So this is how you need to do this. One is left, this one is your homework. Okay, so this is number 3. Now children, let us solve some numerical problem based on the same concept of mass and weight. There will be some questions based on the same concept. Let us try to solve them. It's question number 4. Ravi bought 6 bags of flour. The total weight of the flour in 6 bags is 24 kg. How much flour in grams does each bag contain if the flour is equally distributed in all the bags? So Ravi bought 6 bags of flour and the weight of all 6 bags is 24 kg. Then what is the weight of one bag in terms of grams? Okay, see here. Total weight of 6 bags of flour is given 24 kg. Convert this in terms of gram. How can you do this? Multiply it by 1000, it will be converted to gram. Okay. Now the weight of one bag of flour is, divide the weight of 6 bags by 6. Why dividing it by 6? Because this is the weight of 6 bags. So divide it by 6, you will get the weight of one bag. So 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24. Nothing from the denominator. 4 into 1000 gram is 4000 gram. This is the answer. This is number 4. Now number 5. Raj weighs 80 kg. Aman weighs 5000 gram more than Raj. What is Aman's weight in kg? So weight of Raj is 80 kg. Convert this in terms of gram. Multiply by 1000. This 80 kg will be converted to gram. So this is 80,000 gram. Now weight of Aman is 5000 gram more than that of Raj. So 5000 gram more than that of Raj. So this is the weight of the Raj. Add 5000 gram to it. This will become the weight of Aman. So this is question number 4 and 5. Now get ready for question number 6. Now this is the last question we are going to do from this exercise. Sia baked cookies weighing a total of 2 kg 560 grams. 2 kg 560 grams. This is the total weight of cookies baked. Now weight of cookies distributed. She distributed it among our friends, and how much she distributed was 1 kg 785 grams. So if she had 2 kg 560 grams and she gave away to her friends 1 kg 785 grams, then how much is left? So what do you do is simple subtraction. So weight of cookies left with her is subtract these two. You don't have anything here, so borrow 1 from here. It becomes 10 minus 5, 5. This is 7. Now this was 6. Now it becomes 5. 5 minus 8 is 5 minus 8 not possible. So borrow 1. It becomes 15 minus 8 7. This was 4 not possible. So borrow 1 from here. 14 minus 7 is 7. This is 1. 1 has been given to this. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is 0 kg. In fact, not so necessary to mention this. 775 gram is the weight of the cookies left with her. So dear children, we have completed exercise number 12.7. Please do this in your copy, and homework you may send. 2 sums I have given you to do at home. Those 2 homework you may send to me in my personal WhatsApp number. This entire work no need to send. You send it when I ask you to do so. So thank you for the day. Stay safe and work hard. Thank you.